Well,
You think you're real funny, don't you?
yeah, I'm pretty great, yeah.
Well, what I'm trying to figure out is if you think you're some kind of a comedian, or you think I'm a complete idiot.
But both, really, I mean.
Look, I asked you to put an extra $10 on my pay.
I gave you your pay, and yeah, you asked for 10. I gave you 10.
Well, then can you explain to me why I received an envelope with a half-eaten hot dog, which I'm sure the mailman had something to do with, and a DVD copy of the movie 10 Cups?
I don't know. 10 cups? Is that what I gave you?
I said an extra $10. The DVD cost $9.99. The price tag's still on it.
Bucks, cups, same thing. Look, man, I ain't seen 10 Cups, but Bob told me that movie wasn't good. It was overdone. Not for me.
Listen, I don't know what you're going through right now, but you need to get your head in the game. You don't even have any idea when the next show's going to be, do you?
Listen, everybody that knows wants to know when the next show is. I ain't got nothing for them. Alright? Nothing for them. I ain't got nothing for you. Nothing for anybody. Listen. I know I ain't got no answers for you, but here. Let me sing you a song, alright?
Listen, I don't have a time for a song right now, okay? I've got more important things.
Here's the story of two brothers, Rick and Scott. They don't use drugs and they're always on top.
Listen, this guy is singing. I'll make some ramen while I wait.
Take on all comers, no matter what size. There won't be any questions when you get Steinerized. Steinerized. Don't you just want to Steinerize somebody? Steinerized. Steinerized. Come on, you just don't you just want to Steinerize somebody like that?
Listen, all I know is, by the next time I see you, you better have my extra $10 plus my regular pay.
Alright. You know I'm good for it.
Yeah, we'll see.